In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode on the YouTube app for Android devices. Picture-in-picture, or PIP, allows you to watch videos in a small window while you use other apps. It is very handy when you want to multitask or keep an eye on a video while messaging or browsing the web. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see apps. Tap on it. Then tap on these three little dots at the top right. And then tap Special Access. Tap Picture-in-Picture. Now you'll see a list of applications that support this mode. Scroll down to the bottom and find the YouTube mobile application. Once you've found it, toggle on this switch so that it allows picture-in-picture mode for YouTube. After that, exit the settings and open up the YouTube mobile app. And then start playing any video. Once the video is playing, press the home button on your device. The video will shrink down into a small floating window that you can move around the screen. You can place it anywhere that's convenient for you, so it won't get in the way of what you're doing. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.